Our project name is Krishi Sevak, a one-stop solution for weather updates, crop information, disease detection, and direct marketplace access. So, from the front end, you can analyze that it is related to agriculture and farming related issues, and it contains more other features, and I'm going to explain that in this video. So the features our site contains is weather updates, live weather updates, crop information, disease detection, which is powered by AI, and farmer marketplace. And there's also one functionality which I'm going to reveal later on. So let's get started. Here are some quick links and some default contact address. Ignore this. So let's get started. Here is the main farmer dashboard. So it, as you can see, it contains option like weather first forecast, get real-time weather updates, soil recommendation, get crop recommendations, and marketplace for buying and selling agriculture products, where dealers and farmers can interact. So let's test all the functionalities. So enter a location here. Suppose I enter a town name Siliguri. So as you can see, the date 8th March 2025, 26 degrees Celsius. It is humidity 53% and wind is 70 km per hour. And the farming advice is good weather for most farming activities. Consider irrigation in the afternoon. So it also generates a tip for the farmers and is powered by Krishi Sevak Weather. And then next comes the soil recommendation. So in India, we know there are variety types of soil like clay, sandy, loamy, silty, and so on. So suppose I chose a farmer has clay soil. So let's recommend what crops should he harvest on that field. So upon recommendation, it would tell the soil properties, high nutrients, retains water well, slow draining, and also the recommended crops that a farmer should harvest here, like rice, wheat, lentils, cabbage. There is also farming tip and subscribe for another soil. See, the crops and soil properties have changed. And this is one of the best feature, which is the marketplace. So let's explore it. As you can see, there are some products listed here. We have listed the products by from our end. It is not from any APIs or other. So like this is organic fertilizer from wheat seeds, tractor, pesticide sprayer. There is option like add to cart. You can add to cart like okay. So I've added to cart, and there are also options like search products for fertilizer or for seeds. Or you can also do like e-commerce website. Like you can use categories like fertilizer, seeds, and then equipments, and then tools. You can do this, and upon clicking on cart, you can see the cart. You can also proceed to checkout, but the payment gateway is not linked till now. We may set up it later, but this is just a prototype for now. You can directly purchase the goods from here. Then comes the farmer recent activities for the farmer. When a farmer successfully log in or created an account in a website, it would show the purchases, the recent purchases the further farmer has made, and then or a dealer sold some items. You can also see it. Then disease detection. I will show you this, and then the product listed. You can the farmers can also list the products, of course. Then this comes a seasonal crop calendar. So the season crop calendar suggests that helps the farmer to like some farmers may be illiterate, most of them are, and so to gain some knowledge, they can use this season crop calendar like Kharif season and then in Rabi season what should they sow and what should they harvest, and then same goes for Z season too. So here goes, and then comes one of the best features that which I've told that I would reveal later. That is a chatbot implementation. So it's mainly built of Gemini and it uses Gemini API key, Gemini API key, and let's test it. I, yeah. Well, we have not given the API keys in the host version. Let's run it on a local version so that you can see. So here is the local version of the same website. You can see the Gemini response from here. Tell, so give me some tips about farming. Let's see what it generates. see it has generated a response about farming. It's dynamic, fully dynamic. And then we have used in the front end React modules like Lucid React, then some React icons, and sometimes we have also do Tailwind, and in some parts we have tried to implement React 3 or something like what I would say Chakra UI. Basically, it's a combination of many things, and there's also a notification bar. Okay, and there goes a profile. You can also update your profile here, like Rajesh Kumar. I can also it's still not implemented, so you won't see any updates. And then you can enter a location, passion, or crops grown. You can also change profile picture from here, and then comes the settings. Like there's privacy options, then notifications, whether you would receive web notifications or not, and then email to change or forgot password, anything related issues. And there and mostly when a farmer has successfully log out from the dashboard, you would see this page where he has to again log in with his own credentials. So there goes. And then comes the main feature, disease detection. So it is made up of Google Cloud APIs, some Cloud Vision APIs, and also we have used Gemini. Well, it's not much correct. It's just for implementation and as just a prototype. Let me show to you. Let's upload this one and detect. Well, it wouldn't detect much. It would just analyze. So don't consider it to be so much accurate. It shows like a healthy looking crop. There are some crops are there. The leaves are good in no color and overall canopy appears full and vigorous. There are no visible lesions. Well, as no diseases are so much visible and it's looking green and there are some trees behind. So it is suggested that there is canopy and then no problem in the crops. So it's just a overview. And I hope I have explained all the things in our website. Hope you have liked it. Thank you. We are open to for all questions.